Good morning, everybody. Thank you for coming and to witness our historic event. This is the first time that we will be hosting the World Youth League here in Manila. And let me just give you a brief history of what Karate Pilipinas is all about. We took over the former federation, the Philippine Karate Federation, last 2019. And then immediately we hosted the Southeast Asian Games 2019, and then pandemic. Then we hosted the Southeast Asian Karate Federation last 2023. And then after that, we hosted the 2024 Asian Cadets, Juniors, and Under 21 Championships. And now, andito na kami, so we are going to host now the World Youth League. Now everybody's asking why host the World Youth League? Why not host the Premier League, or why not host the Series A? Well, for start, we are set to develop our youth. Kasi ang seniors ng Karate Pilipinas, ilan lang yan eh. But we need to develop the youth. Kasi pag retire ng mga yan, of course, we build world champions. So we have Junan Tsukiji, kasama ko nga si Chairman Patudun ng World Champions sa World Games. Tapos, andyan din si Sakura Alforte na naging world champion din sa World Youth League. So, but these athletes will later on retire. So we need to develop the junior athletes para sila papalit. But it's so difficult to bring them abroad kasi it's so expensive. Wala rin pagtustos. They need a bigger exposure para maka-experience, no? So why not bring it here? Of course, with the help of the Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, and then of course the National Sports Tourism Interagency Division Committee. Yun ang pinakamalaking importante yun dahil meron tayong sports tourism. So that's why lalo pang nagkaroon ng lakas ng loob para mag-host ng itong World Youth League, no? So I would just like to share everybody that last week we attended the first leg of the Youth League in Fujairah, UAE, and it was attended by 2,400 athletes with 93 countries participating. And after my meeting with the president, they are expecting more to come in Manila because the inquiries for Manila Championship is way far more than the Fujairah, and of course less in Harare because nobody wants to go to Africa. So everybody wants to come to Manila because number one, mas maganda dito. After that, pwede pa sila magpunta ng Boracay, Palawan. So it really creates sports tourism. After the championships, meron silang dahilan para magbakasyon pa. So a lot of those teams are inquiring already how to go to Boracay, how to go to Palawan, how to go to Coron. So hindi lang ito sports lang. So nakakatulong tayo sa ekonomiya ng ating bansa. So yun lang, no? So I hope maging successful itong aming hosting with your help. So thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much.